Today we're diving into a product that I think is really going to help a lot of dog owners, especially if your furry friend is expressing themselves a little bit too loudly. So I'm talking about the AKUVU From Barks to Bliss, Love Never Misses. This is the dog bark collar, and this was sent to us to take a look at it, give our overall opinions of it, and we're going to give that to you. So let's dive right in. So here it is. It's fresh out of the box, and my first impressions is that it looks pretty sleek. It looks durable. The strap, it feels like it's going to be all right for the dog to wear. Pretty skin friendly, I would think. I mean, look at that. It has an LED color interface. That's pretty cool. But let's talk about a little bit more about looks. Let's get into the nitty gritty and what we think about how it actually works. Now, the first thing that you're going to notice when you actually put it on your dog is that it's going to quickly get to work. So the collar has multiple modes. So you're just going to go in and use it with the M. So the first one is going to be, it's just going to be a beep. The next one is going to be a vibration. You'll have both, and then a shock. So you can also adjust the sensitivity of it, really. And when it says shock, it's not necessarily something that's going to be really harmful. It's just like a hey kind of a thing. It's not just a collar. I mean, based upon the modes here, it's going to be like a whole training program. But what I really love about this particular collar is the fact that it has a very humane approach to training. You know, you've got a no shock mode that uses just a beep and also vibrations for positive reinforcement. If your dog is a bit more stubborn, then there is the beep, a vibration, and also the shock mode. Here's the battery life. Let's see if I can't put it back. So the battery life, the thing is that it's going to charge in just 2 hours and it's going to last up to 15 days. That's a lot. And you're not going to be tethered to a charger all the time, which is really nice. And the LED interface right here, like I said, that's going to show you your battery level. And it'll even remind you when the battery is running low. Now that's pretty nice. So it is going to charge with this charger that it comes with. I'll go ahead and open it for you so you can see. This is actually the charging. It's going to plug into a regular USB. And this is where it connects down here. So it's a magnet force. So you'll know if you're putting it on correctly. But this isn't going to work unless it's comfortable for your dog, right? So this collar is adjustable. As you can see here, it's going to be adjustable from really small all the way up to 150 pounds. So no matter what size your guy is, then it will actually adjust to your dog's size. So you will be able to adjust it to the size of your dog. However big or small your dog is, you will be able to adjust it to their size. I'm trying to make it as big as it goes for you so you can actually see. So it does go pretty big. What's also nice about this is the fact that it is in fact waterproof. So that way your furry friend can still have fun in the rain. Now, a quick shout out to those who have special needs dogs. The collar's even going to work for deaf and blind thanks to the vibration mode. That way, even though they may not be able to hear the beep, they'll still be able to feel a slight vibration. So that's really nice. Really, this is a true one-size-fits-all solution for your dog. Included in the package, you are going to have some spare parts. So that way, should anything happen, you will have parts to be able to replace it. But this AKUVU Dog Bark Collar is humane, it's effective, and a smart solution for your barking buddy. I do highly recommend this, and if you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with fellow dog parents.